Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install Boho locks. In the previous video, I showed you guys how to make the actual crochet locks, and this one I'll be showing you how to apply it to your clients here. So I'll be crocheting the lock through the braid because the client wanted the knotless method. So you're just gonna put that through the braid, and since the end of the lock is thick, you're just gonna pull that through instead of using the hook to do it. I'm using the same spring twist here that I used to wrap the actual lock, the crochet lock, and I'm going to use it to wrap over her hair until you cannot see her natural braid anymore, if that makes any sense. If you guys need a more in-depth tutorial, that will be on my website along with the vendor list where I get my hair from. If you need it in bulk or just for yourself, it will be on my website. When I am finished wrapping or finish my client's hair, I like to oil their scalp. That's why I say to come to your appointment with no products in your hair, because it can avoid the slipping of the lock and the buildup, because you're gonna put your products plus my products. That's too much. So I just tell my clients don't come with any products, and I will do that in the end. All the products I'll be using, like the oil, the edge control, and the mousse, will be on my website. I will leave the link down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.